And I have instructions to submit, Milord, that even with regard to RGKAR Medical College, the work will be completed by 31st October, Milord.
Is it articulated then? Yes.
Second.
In para 7, we have indicated the committees have been formed at various levels. Emergency alarms are also being set up as the meetings, dialogues happened, they desired it, that also is being done. All amount has been, finances have been sanctioned for that purpose.
Have biometric access features been installed, in the restrooms of and the critical areas?
Yes, that has been procured now, Milord, and that will also be by 31st October. We'll indicate that also has been.
So where will they be installed? The biometric facilities?
In the restrooms, duty rooms, and wherever the outsiders are not allowed to go.
Have you seen the affidavit which has been filed by the state of West Bengal?
We
it
have,
appears-
my lords.
I've just received it. No, just received it.
My lords, I've had a chance to look through it, even though we just received
Because
it.
they have now indicated that insofar as the 28 medical colleges other than RGKAR are concerned, they've given us the statistical and breakdown. Additional demands were placed in for 893 duty rooms in see page 2 and 3. They've given us the breakup of duty rooms, washrooms, lighting arrangements, and CCTV installations, where almost 90, some cases 98% or 90% of the work is done. And they are anticipating that will be completed at the latest by the 25th of October. For RGKAR also, they have said that they will complete the entire work by 25th of October.
31st.
My lords, many of our doctors are government doctors. They are in these hospitals. We have checked with them before, and we have also confirmed after this affidavit arrived, because they are all, watching and available. And nowhere near this level, some beginning has been made, but nowhere near this level of work has been done. And my lords, we do have documents that we have placed on record. Could we pass it over, what Master said? That demonstrate perhaps the reason why. And the reason why, my lords, may see at PDF, I beg your pardon, my lords, at, please hand over.
We have annexed photographs and
Page
all.
61, my lords. They've all been served, but whatever copies we have can be handed over, please.
Then you can.
It's all been served 2 days.
Provided, apart from the statistical details, the budgetary outlays, they've also provided photographs in Annexure A to the work which is being
We
carried
are
out.
constantly in touch with the
Let's take a look
doctors'
at the photographs and-
associations and committees formed, and so they are inspecting their. This
My
can be
lords, may
verified
see-
only in the spot.
My lords, if I may just point out, and then of course,
Page
there will
16
be a
onwards.
response. My lords, at page 59, for example,
Of their affidavit.
no, 59 of the application that I have handed over. If my lords may look at, that is where the document begins. At page 60, or rather at page 59, the bottom of page 59, it says that administrative approval is for 3 crores 35 lakhs 56,714 only. For example, this is the name of the project is Supply, Installation, Testing and Commissioning of CCTV Surveillance System and Allied Infrastructure for the NRS Medical College and Hospital at AJC Bose Road, Kolkata. Now, my lords may see that the amount.
There are
chargeable head of
300 such
accounts-
AFS which have been.
If I may just
Not
finish.
only.
The amount is rupee 1 for 2024-2025. And for 2025-2026, the amount is 3 crores 35 lakhs 56,713. This is not an isolated document, my lords. My lords may have the next
Why have you
page.
said for 24-25 that the budget is 1 rupee?
There are about 8
Yes, yes,
documents. And these are their documents. my lord.
yes.
There are 300 plus such works which have been sanctioned by us. Total cost 300, like this AFS is nothing, it stands for Administrative Approval and Financial Sanctions. There are 300 such works have been sanctioned. Each bear somewhere it will bear 56 lakhs, somewhere it will 3 crores. Sum total of all that stands today at 123 crores. Since this work was given to us on, suddenly this work has come, so the budgets towards the end of the year, it is reappropriated. I have that power to reappropriate from one head to another. So it will, for a software system, it will say 24-25 rupees one or something, but as the work progresses, we reappropriate and pay the money. Works are on, contractors have worked, and they will also be paid, sir.
Anyway,
Treated as a shagun, Malo. 1 rupee usually.
no, but why
Not
don't you?
lucky, Shagun, my lord.
But ultimately, look, they have disclosed data. They have also indicated through photographs what is the nature of the work which is being carried out. We can't merely ignore what they have said on affidavit because they've said that on affidavit. At the most, we can say that, look, let this be verified. We can ask somebody to verify what is the nature of the work which is being done. That's
Right
all.
now, Bengal is the only state.
My
which
lord,
is
perhaps a
doing
local
this, in all
commissioner
other
could
states
be
it's not
appointed
done
or
at all.
something. I mean, we are being told by our 25,000 doctors that the work is not being done at this scale.
An affidavit has been filed by the Principal Secretary in the Department of Health and Family Welfare of the Government of West Bengal. Full stop. The affidavit indicates that the state government has sanctioned work worth rupees 123 crores, of which a substantial part has been completed. Full stop. The updated status of the ongoing and completed work for 28 medical colleges has been tabulated in a chart in a table which is reproduced below. Page 2 ko AA copy kar dijiye. As regards the status of the ongoing work in RGKAR.
Visit ILMS Academy for various courses from contract drafting, RTI, labor law, GST, and more. get certified to enhance employability.
Medical College, the affidavit contains the following tabulation. Page 3 of the copy can be. Mr. Rakesh Dwivedi, then Senior Counsel, has assured the court that all the ongoing work at the 28 medical colleges would be completed by 25 October 2000.
Medical college is complete.
That, no,
The shortfall which your lordships are
the
noticing is
shortfall,
on account
the
of
shortfall
RGKAR
in the shortfall in the work in the 28 medical colleges would in any event be completed by 25 October 2024 and at the RGKAR Medical College and Hospital by 31 October 2024. Full stop. Apart from the above steps, it has been indicated that the state government has constituted, bracket 1, a state level grievance redressal committee, semicolon, a state level committee for security audit, 3, district level committees for security audit, a district level committee for security audit. Full stop. It has been stated that an initial round of security audit has been completed. Full stop. An additional 1,514 security personnel have been approved for deployment in the medical colleges and hospitals, of which 910 would be female security personnel. Stop. The verification of antecedents and necessary training is stated to have been completed in the case of 616 security personnel, brackets comprising of 328 female and 288 male security personnel. Apart from the above steps, the affidavit indicates that the state government has, by an order dated 1 October 2024, reconstituted the Rogi Kalyan Samiti of different medical colleges and has rolled out an integrated hospital management system which has 1,013 government hospitals reporting thereon. Full stop. It has been stated that the IHMS envisages capturing every step of patient treatment through online OPD ticket booking, e-prescriptions,
Sorry.
drug dispersals from drugstores and pharmacies, and online discharge. Full stop. The state government has also taken steps on a pilot basis for monitoring real-time bed availability and online centralized referral systems.
Centralized referral system and a digital bed vacancy monitor.
Nice. Well,
Yes,
is there any
that-
timeline for that integrated system?
The
Previous
court shall be
appears to be
apprised.
that there's
The
no
court
time.
shall be apprised in a
As
period
per
of
their
3 weeks
demand.
from the date. The court
Lord,
shall be
may I-
apprised within 3 weeks
Well,
of
may I
the-
just make one
of the
small,
further progress which
Lord-
is made in commissioning these facilities.
a small comment on the integrated system?
Yes,
Well, Lord, we welcome the
The pilot
integrated.
project is already going on in this.
that we have recorded. We have saw that in your affidavit.
Lord, just hear me for a second. It is the demand of the doctors has been for an integrated system. And we are happy to note that an integrated system will be put in place. However, my lord, the real issue is referrals are made to hospitals which are incapable of handling an emergency. So the integrated referral system must ensure that the referral which is made is to a hospital which has the adequate expertise, the adequate doctors, the adequate equipment. What is happening is references are being made to hospitals which don't have this. That's why the patient gets upset. It's not about the doctors getting upset.
So
It's
the
the
pilot
patient who
project
gets
is on
upset.
and
Please
we are
allow me to
giving a
finish.
timeline of
But
what-
please allow me to finish. This is not fair. What is happening is the patients are getting upset.
Still
because
not
they're
in
being-
place.
Will you please allow me to
Point.
finish? My lord, the patients are getting upset because referrals are made to the wrong hospitals which don't have the capacity. And then they take out their anger on the doctors who are on duty. So all I'm saying is when they make this integrated referral system, they must ensure that the reference is made to a hospital which has a free bed. Sometimes referrals are made to hospitals which don't have a free bed. Secondly, that the referral has the necessary expertise to deal with the particular ailment. And thirdly, that a doctor is available with that specialization. Then the patient will be satisfied. If the patient is satisfied, the doctor will not be attacked. That is the real problem.
Kindly have page
It's a
9.
patients, it's about the patients not getting what they want.
Since the integrated hospital management system is being rolled out by the state government,
We completed
state
by 1st
government,
November.
and is expected to be completed by 1 November 2024. The state government shall take due steps to ensure that the IHMS inter alia factors in bracket 1, the availability of free beds, semicolon, bracket 2, the availability of expertise in the medical health facility, semicolon, and bracket 3, the availability of doctors with the requisite specialization.
And in medicine, my lord, sometimes medicine is not available.
And you've said facility.
Yes, my lord, very well.
Many things.
Medical
have to be solved at
facilities
the
will
ground
include
level.
everything.
You've made that broad suggestion. That is a valid point that they have made.
I appreciate, Manoj, but it has to be resolved there, Manoj.
Right, we've flagged it,
I
that's all.
appreciate, Manoj.
Manoj, just one
Manoj, in this
suggestion.
regard,
I do
just
not
one
know
more
whether
suggestion.
The affidavit, they have said with regard to CCTV being installed in the lifts. And the reason I'm telling your lordship is because of a horrific incident that took place in the Calcutta High Court, where one of a a junior who had just joined was molested by a court staff inside the lift. The Kolkata police came, they did not arrest him. He was allowed to go, and subsequently he surrendered and he was granted bail. The Calcutta High Court otherwise is completely covered except for 1 or 2 dark spots which are not covered. But the lifts were not covered. And this poor girl was molested inside the lift. So it's just a suggestion that they should also install CCTV in the lifts, which is very, very important.
You've heard the point, just take note of it. The officers are
I
here.
have something to say, Manoj. I have a serious objection, Manoj, this off the cuff, Manoj, without
That's
any.
all right.
they're
That's
being
what
We are
I'm
just
get
giving a
their-
suggestion.
You've heard the
Just to go
suggestion.
on the media thing.
This is not for the media.
This
is for
one
the
second, let's not
CCTV.
get lost in this. Suggestion has been made. It's been made
Will
within
do.
the hearing of everybody. We have not passed any directions. The
They've
officers
taken
are here.
note of it, Manoj.
Let them just bear it in mind, that's all.
Manoj, there is one more suggestion and it's not off the cuff. This is in our prayer. We are seeking a digital bed vacancy
I've already pointed
monitor
out.
outside each
We've
medical college.
we've
and
just
hospital.
flagged that while passing an order on the IHMS. We've dealt with the availability of beds.
Yes, my lord, it was.
My lords,
order.
my lords may,
That's why we flagged that. Ms. Jaising just made the point.
the
We
bed
therefore flagged
vacancy
it.
monitor, as long as it's there, my lord. My lord, just one more thing I didn't want to interrupt while my lords were dictating the order, is that the notification setting up the security audit committee is in front of me, and it includes only various officials, bureaucrats, selected by the state government. We are not saying disband it, we are not saying replace it, my lords. We are saying if the representatives of the senior doctors and the junior doctors may be on that committee and work together to verify that the work is being done and constructively make suggestions, then it would only be to
But
the
they have to be
benefit.
at work for them to be in a committee which will look at their suggestions, right? If they are not at work, how?
They are all at work, my lords. My lords, they are all at work.
They have joined now.
All right.
They are all at work.
Except 7, there is a relay
Back to
strike,
work.
hunger strike of 7 doctors going on, but we'll handle that, Manoj, that.
All right.
My lord,
Just consider this, that on the security audit committee,
What they are wanting, Manoj, is that they're given a meeting. We are constantly meeting the doctors and doing what they are wanting as far as possible. But
My
what they are
lords, that
wanting
is
is that we
not
hold
true.
elections